Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make homemade mozzarella cheese using just two ingredients: vinegar and raw milk, non-pasteurized milk. Pour the milk into the pot and heat it on medium to low heat. When the milk reaches 90 degrees or you dip your finger into it and cannot tolerate the heat anymore, turn off the heat. Now slowly add the vinegar and keep stirring it. Keep stirring till the curds appears. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Now pour it into a strainer. And squeeze out all the excess liquid from the curds. So squeeze it out very well. So once the excess liquid is out, you will need hot water. The water should be about 80 to 90 degrees. Add salt to taste and drop the curds inside that. Leave it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Take it out and knead it. Each time you knead it, squeeze the liquid out, and this will increase the elasticness of the cheese. Do not overwork it so the cheese doesn't get too tough. So this is how stretching this cheese is. Can you all see that? Then form it into a ball shape. And place it in an ice cold water to chill. I left it for about 2 minutes. Dry out the excess water from the cheese and wrap it very tightly. And place it in the refrigerator for when you're ready to use it. You can slice the mozzarella cheese is ready. You can slice it, or you can grate it for pizza or for whatever you want to use it for. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.